I'm coming.
All right, so y'all gonna
Willow?
receive some. Hi, princess. Ready to feed the birds? Okay, so you are gonna receive a couple of seeds to feed the birds. We're gonna go inside. The birds will go on your head, your shoulders. If you don't want them on you, you could just brush them off and they will easily leave. Okay. Also, if you have any questions, my name is TISHANA. You also have ASHINDA, and we will be there to assist you. So this is a billboard of some of the birds you'll be seeing. So first we have the black-headed kite from the Amazon. It's a bird that needs a lot of attention. It's also good for apartment because they're not noisy birds.
Oh, okay.
We also have the ring-necked parakeet from India. They're from we have 7 different colors. We have the green, the blue, the gray, the white, the yellow, olive green, and sky blue. And only the male has a ring around his neck, not the female.
Oh, the blue ring? That's
yes, only the male has the ring around the neck. We also have the sun conure. As you can see, it's a very attractive bird due to its bright yellow-orange colors that fades into green and blue on its tail and body. We also have the gene conure that is family to the sun conure. And the difference between them is that the gene has more green on the wings and much darker than the sun conure. We also have the white-eyed conure. These are birds that once you spend a lot of time with them, they will build a good talking ability. They'll be able to self-feed words. Yes. We also have the green cheek conure from Brazil, Bolivia, Argentina, and Paraguay. These are nice birds to have as pets, although they are piggy eaters, but they are loving birds. Very playful. We also have the mountain dove. It's a bird that you will see a lot here on the island. It's native to St.Maarten, but originally from South Africa because they migrate to different places around the world. And we also have the rose-fronted parakeet, but they are at home breeding right now. Yeah, I tell you.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna hold one for the two of them just in case. Okay, now you can open the door.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Okay.
Oh god. Maybe this one is a leg. This one is a nice bird. You could caress him.
Guys.
His name is Peanut.
Hey, Peanut.
Oh my gosh. Y'all, we inside.
This boy, let me get you. This boy is crazy.
My anxiety. Okay, I'm just gonna be one with nature. They're so. Look at Willow. Look at her. Willow. Look. She like it. Look at Peanut. You could hold him. You could hold him. You could bait me. Oh, Peanut. Mommy, you are not scared at all. Willow. Mommy, how you feeling?
Nice. Nice.
That's it, Willow. Nice.
Nice. Nice. Show it nice. Show it nice.
You're so brave.
It's nice.
Oh, where's it at? Oh my God. Oh my God. Sherman, help me. Sherman. Ah! Okay. We have the bird handler right here.
What's that yellow one?
The yellow one?
You gonna touch it? Oh, you're touching it.
So brave.
You were so brave.
What?
You're braver than mommy. I guess she got your genes
The
from me.
bird. Say bird?
Bird. Yes. Look how pretty it is, y'all. Y'all have to come and visit. It's so pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
They started the mutation of the birds. Yeah.
Oh my freaking God. I know you fucking lying.
Yep, that's a golden pheasant.
What? Where that's from?
Trying to get his female.
They're Asian.
Whoa.
No, it don't taste somebody. No.
That one looked like it
It
moved.
looks like a road runner, but
Yeah, he looks like a rover.
See this one. That's an egg?
yeah, that's an egg. She lives the eggs, yeah.
Who? Which one?
The pheasant.
The colorful one?
No, the female.
Oh. Look at that one, y'all. I just want to say, pretty. You like that one, Willow?
No.
You like it? Yes.
For like 5 years.
Oh.
And I started helping out my cousin after Hurricane Irma for 3 years now.
It's a family company?
It's a family company.
I love it.
It's a family company, and this is what we show. We also have a heritage museum on the next side. It talks about St.Maarten's culture. Some of the islands has a similar culture as well. Talks about St.Maarten's culture, what we used to use, how we used to use it, and it would have a story behind it.
Hey. 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 Peanut kiss me, boy.
You guys, the damn bird sanctuary is on. Boy, these birds love me.
Oh my gosh, on the stay still. It's on your head. It's on your head. Willow, you want to go touch it? Go ahead. Go touch it. Come on. Come on, Willow. Come on. Come on, Willow. Come on. Go, Willow. Go, Willow. Yeah, what's that? You like the bird? What's that? This boy is enjoying having a time of his life. Oh, my baby. Look at her. Oh, she's touching it. Ah.
It's okay. Nice. There's food. You see the bird?
I'm the one that talks to. Hello. What do you say? I got that on video. I got that on video. Oh, this one is pretty.
And she got about 8 dogs.
I got that on video. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this one. Ooh.
Give kiss. Kiss. Let me see if I can go for my head now.
Oh wow. They know just what to do.
Yeah. Once they're accustomed to you, they can do all kind of things.
So they know y'all. She can't take it anymore. She cannot take it anymore. Charmaine, you know what? I commend you because at least you gave it a try. You know, you gave it a try. And you stayed there for long. But the last attack took you out. The last attack did it. Say hi, Auntie. Say hi, Auntie.
No problem. No matter.
You gotta get more in touch with nature like your daddy is.
Oh.
Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it.
She see how Auntie, she said no.
Hold it.
Oh.
Hold it.
Shama's got it. Shama's got it. That's too close to home now.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, baby.
Oh, boy. You ready? Shamila, how? Go ahead. Go to Willow. Go to Auntie. Willow. Look, Willow. Go to Auntie. Go to Auntie. Look at my baby. Let me give it some. Look at the turtle. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh. Too bad New York can't handle it.
They can.
They can't.
Not snapping? They're not snapping? Oh, not those, no. No,
Who's that? Stop. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay.
I'm sorry if I said that.
You gotta touch it? Touch it, Willow. Because I'm scared to touch it, so you gotta touch it.
Which one? Oh, this one.
These are the most featured.
Which one is the yellow?
Yeah, those are
Like
nice.
an aquarium. Aquarium to put a light inside.
Yeah, you need a little aquarium.
Yeah.
Even she doing it.
No.
Let me touch the top.
These turtles?
You can scratch the top of their head. They like it. How you get on it? Did I make you touch a bird? No, I didn't make you touch a bird.
Bird touched me. That was enough.
I think I didn't see them. I think I don't like very big.
Oh, it's
Yes.
not
Yeah.
You like turtles? I don't know.
100 to 200 years.
Whoa. Look at the arms. Oh my freaking God. I got the chills right now. Like, this is history. I got the chills. Look at this stuff. It's 200-year-old stuff in here. Look at this thing here. Yo, mommy, look.
We also have pictures of fruits and plants that we naturally grow here on the island.
This is a jamun right here.
Secrets. We also have soursop. Soursop kills a lot of.
Yeah, I have soursop?
Yeah.
Oh, because, yeah, I had soursop before.
Yeah, soursop.
But, y'all, this is crazy. These are close to 200 years old. This is a razor. This is hot combs.
Get it?
Yes, get it.
This is crazy.
Right, noni.
I love it. Like, y'all, I have the chills right now.
This is what
Like,
we use to detox.
look at the foams. Oh, it's so cute.
I didn't know y'all had pomegranate.
Yeah, we have pomegranate here.
My heart.
Wow.
We also have coconut. We have 2 types of coconut. Yeah?
My heart
We have
can't
the
take it.
orange one and the green one. The orange
Two
one.
types of coconuts?
Yeah. The orange one is much sweeter than the green one.
I never seen an orange one. Oh.
Yeah, so we did today. He was a farmer as well.
Wow.
So they used to, back in the day, they used to sell their like the calves, chicken to gain money to buy in order to buy the school stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so they was real hustlers back then.
Wow. we ain't got nothing on them. They was really hustling to get their money.
Things was really cheaper back then. So with 25 cents, you could get a bread, a sausage, and a soda.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah, that
I
was
wish.
how it was back then. Huh?
I wish.
Yeah.
So this is all of your family stuff?
Yes, all my family. And wow. St. Maarten back in 1897.
1897.
This is
Yep.
Over here, Deviator Bay, Pondfield.
Nothing there happened there, boy.
Yep. And then we
Yeah.
also have the South Factory, and this is Back Street.
Willow, this is history. You're standing inside of history, Willow. You're standing inside of history, okay? Oh, this is cheese?
No, this is what we make for Christmas time. This is what we use to make with coconut tan.
Oh, so you shred the coconut on there.
Yep. Shred the coconut on it. And it's handmade, huh? It's they took a piece of zinc. They put a lot of nails in it, and they just take a piece of wood.
This is crazy, y'all. Like,
This
I
is a goose.
have never seen as many types of irons from like over. My family had one of these.
I didn't like these.
I grew up with one of those. Yeah.
She would use
I used to get burnt.
Yeah, I didn't like that.
Yo, you used to get the steam. Wait, this is how a clipper look?
Yeah, the main. So the razor.
They had to manually do it? Yo, we came a long way, y'all. We came a long way.
Video about rolling up the dam when you
Yeah.
You should have posted a video about that. We came a long way.
Wow.
So this museum is also to show you that life back then compared to now is totally different. We have everything at the tip of our fingers, and back then they had to be really creative.
It's very true. What is called?
Crab apple, crumb syrup.
I never heard of crab apple, boy.
Come,
I
Sarah.
ain't even gonna lie.
Yeah, we got
What's that? Girl, it's ready? Yeah. The hell is it? So I'm gonna try it. Let's see how it tastes.
Look.
What the?
I got
Yeah.
this.
You don't like it?
It's
It's green.
Let me find none. I can't reach them. You talk
Okay.
with me. It don't taste bad though.
Yeah, it's actually really good. What's it called? Huh? It's like natural candy. It's like, you see? Let me feel it. It's very sticky. So it works like actually sticks. Yeah. But you gotta use a lot of it? You have to like, you see? Oh. Wow. It's gel.
Yeah, basically a natural sponge. And when she said that's what she uses.
I'm gonna take some back that to the States because you need some for your hair.
You better start. Look, they have a whole bunch here. You don't like it? You don't like it? Go. Look how the stomach flat. Willow, nice.
Oh, it's nice, Willow. It's
Nice.
You move fast.
Nice. I'm dying. I'm dying.
Oh my God, he's eating it. Willow, it's okay, baby.
Their tongues look just like ours.
Yeah.
You know, you can't take that. You have to feed it.
Simon.
It's okay. They just want to eat.
Look, Willow, nice. Nice. Wave and say hi, Willow. Say hi.
Yeah, they're hungry. That's why they're hungry.
One of them cut my hands. Their teeth ain't even that sharp. I don't even know if it was teeth.
Boy, it is one of the same things.
I don't even know if this is teeth.
That's a food, Willow. That's not for you, though. Because you bold to eat it and drink the water that they have.
Sorry.
This one. Look at this one. How does it feel, huh?
It's good.
Let me do one.
Come.
Nice.
Come.
Ew, look at his tongue. He said. I know, I feel the same way, baby. Okay.
Alicia, you're being brave right now. She put it away.
It's nice.
Go, Willow. Now she happy. Now she go, Willow. Go, Willow. Go, Willow. It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Hey.
Go, Willow. Yay! Boom, boom. A boom, boom.